My name is Daniel Vasquez Flores. I'm working as a naturalist guide inside the National Reserve, Pacaya and Samaria, for over than 20 years. The way to come down is coming from Lima to Iquitos, taking a 1.5 hour by plane, and then you just come straight into the National Reserve in 2 hours and enjoy this wonderful experience. Pacaya and Samaria is a beautiful place to visit because you can have a good possibility for wildlife, taking up very good project on conservation for people who really love nature. Local people got involved because of the ecotourism. People, they can get also some benefits, taking up some project of conservation, protecting the Taricayas or chelonians, and they can get some income showing people their handicrafts. Why these turtles are very important? Because they are playing an important role in nature. The yellow-spotted river turtle are, so important because they are in charge in eating the water lettuce, trying to choke up rivers, and permitting and protecting to the species of fish, permitting to the sunlight to get inside for a better good photosynthesis. These river turtles are so important in this ecosystem because, they give a chance to our passengers to enjoy and join us for conservation. Well, actually, the favorite part of my job is because I love people, I love nature, and I love my job. And I love also people who love nature, that's so important for them to enjoy here because this is gonna be a very unique experience in the Amazon. I would love you to come to the Amazon because here the Amazon provides you very good alternatives for ecotourism and also to visit some communities for people who love also our culture. Let me invite you to come to the Amazon and you're gonna become our Amazon ambassadors with this great experience.